Hello everyone, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, making some really good trades. And yep, let's just get into it. We can see that Bitcoin right now is back to 42,800. We were looking quite bullish today, retesting that support and then getting a nice bounce off. If we do keep going towards the upside, we're going to see some resistance coming in at 43,400 and 43,900 around this area. So if you want to set some longs, probably long around the $41,900 area, as we can see holding a support nicely. So if we do come back down, you're going to take a look at this chart right here, long around this area, 41,890 or 41,900 basically. Now we can see we are starting to run into some resistance on the TA1 chart. If we can get past this box, which basically is a pretty strong resistance area. As we can see on the T2 chart, we can see a lot of resistance line as well. But once we punch through there, your next major resistance is coming at 46,300. Again, I still think we might get a strong rejection coming in at 47,300, or depending on where we make contact first. There's a lot of short opportunities coming, but again, things are looking quite good for Bitcoin. On the daily time frame, the money flow is starting to come back. As you can see, we have -4 on the DBS side, a 10 on the bottom. So starting to slow down a little bit, but you never know. We could start to slow down, roll over, consolidate, and then boom, you could get a pump up towards the upside, and we might reach 52,000 like Daniel is expecting by April 1st. So April 1st is getting closing in. We're about I believe 1 week away now. We're about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 days away from April 1st. So again, that would be a very big move for Bitcoin. Would be very good, impressive, and it would be quite happy as well. But you never know what happens. Right now, at the moment, we do have a short on the Dow Jones. We entered in around 34,800. So if you guys are in the gold chat in the Discord, you follow that call, we'd be in profit right now. Or 1.3, so we're using around 20 leverage, so we're a little bit over 20% in profit at the moment. So I still think we still have a lot of room to go on the downside. So maybe this could be quite a good trade to hold on for the coming days, weeks. We are on leverage, so don't want to pay too much interest. So we're just gonna have to see what happens in the markets. But right now, I still think that there's a lot of room for the downside on the traditional markets. As we can see today, Federal Reserve Jerome Powell, chairman, he announced that well, he didn't announce, but he had a meeting at the BIS summit, Innovation Summit, and he was significantly more bearish. It looks like he was starting to support a half a point rate hike. Like I was talking about a couple weeks ago, the markets have been factoring in lots of quarter point rate hikes in the coming months. I think it's like 7 rate hikes for the rest of the year. But if they go from 7 rate hikes for 7 quarter point rate hikes to 7 50 basis points rate hikes, then the market has not priced that in yet, and they're starting to react to it quite negatively. So we're going to see what happens at the next rate hike. Maybe he's going to raise interest rates by a significant amount, and the market's going to have a knee-jerk reaction, which could cause him to tank. So we're going to have to see what happens. But in my opinion, nothing good is coming from that next meeting. And we do have some CPI data coming out on April 10th. So I expect that to be significantly higher than the month that we just had as well. So I expect the numbers to be way worse as well, due to the rising oil prices, and hasn't priced in any of the shocks that we got during that panic event when the war started. So we're gonna have to see. But yeah, overall, gold getting a nice move. Like I said yesterday, we're gonna get in around this area, 1910, 1900, and then from there on, you want to take your profits around this area, 1950, 1948. We didn't get quite there on 1950, but again, if you would have exited your long around this area, pretty close to the take profit area, you would have done pretty well for yourself. Don't get too greedy, guys. Even though these are the resistance boxes, and sometimes we touch them perfectly, you're gonna get front run, and you're gonna get your order might not get filled exactly where you want it to be. So always place your orders a little bit above, and then you could make some nice gains from there. 1.8% move right there with leverage could have made 20%. And so by the way, if you guys want to trade indexes and in commodities and forex, there's a Nuenda link in the bottom and in the description, so you guys can sign up there. Anyways, moving on. Right now, if Bitcoin does pump, great stuff. But overall, I expect the traditional markets to start to fall, so which could cause Bitcoin to get dragged down in consequence. But overall, we're just gonna have to see what happens. Anyways, guys, thanks for listening. You guys have been awesome. We have 8,670 subscribers now. Once we get to 10,000, we're gonna do that giveaway like I promised. And if you haven't already, definitely join the Discord, because only Discord members can win during the giveaway. Peace. If you haven't already, you guys can sign up for BitGet Trading. Links in the description. Help support the channel. Also, leave a like and comment if you guys enjoyed the video. Peace.